Hi students, this is Shankar. I teach mathematics. We are going to discuss the lines and angles. Before going to the main topic, let us recall the basic geometrical terms. First, what is the definition of point? A point is a Markov position. It has no length, breadth and thickness. How to denote the points? The points are denoted by capital alphabets. Next geometrical term is line. A line is a set of infinite points. It has no endpoints. It is infinite in length. Next geometrical term is a line segment. A part of line with two endpoints is called a line segment. It is denoted by the line segment AB. Next one, what is ray? The part of a line with one endpoint is called a ray. What are the difference between the line segment and ray? A line has no endpoints. A line segment has two endpoints. A ray has only one endpoint. What are the collinear points and non-collinear points? If three or more than 3 points lie on the same line, then they are called collinear points, and otherwise they are called non-collinear points. Example, see the first figure. There is a unique line passing through the two different points A and B. The third point C lie on the same line. So the 3 points A, B and C are collinear points. Example 2, see the second figure. There is a unique line passing through the two different points P and Q. The third point R lie in the outside of the line. So the 3 points P, Q and R non-collinear points. The next topic, types of lines. First one, intersecting lines. If two lines having a common point, then they are called intersecting lines. Example, see the figure. These two lines are intersecting lines. The common point O is called point of intersection. Next one, non-intersecting lines are parallel lines. If two lines having no common point, then they are called non-intersecting lines or parallel lines. Example, see the figure. These two lines are parallel lines. The angle between the two parallel lines is 0. Next one, coincident lines. If two lines having infinite common points, then they are called coincident lines. These two lines are coincident lines. Infinitely many points lie on these two lines. Next one, concurrent lines. If three or more than 3 lines having the same common point, then those lines are called concurrent lines. Example, see the figure. Those lines are called concurrent lines. The common point O is called point of concurrency. Next, the most important topic is angles. First, what is the definition of angle? The union of two different rays having the same initial point is called an angle. Example, see the figure. OA and OB are two rays. The common point is O. The angle is represented by angle AOB or angle BOA. Next topic is types of angles. First one, acute angle. An angle which is less than 90 degrees and more than 0 degrees is called an acute angle. An acute angle x degrees, it is lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So the angle x degrees is called an acute angle. Example, 30 degrees, 50 degrees, 80 degrees are acute angles. Next one, right angle. An angle which is equal to the 90 degrees is called right angle. Y degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So y degrees is called a right angle. Next one, obtuse angle. An angle which is less than 180 degrees and more than 90 degrees is called an obtuse angle. Z degrees, it is lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So Z degrees is called an obtuse angle. Examples. See the first figure. Angle AOB is an acute angle. It is lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Next, see the second figure. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. So angle AOB is a right angle. See the third figure. Angle AOB, it is lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So an angle AOB is an obtuse angle. Next one, straight angle. An angle which is equal to the 180 degrees is called a straight angle. X degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This is the mathematical condition. See the figure. Angle AOB is equal to 180 degrees. Next one, reflex angle. An angle which is less than 360 degrees and more than 180 degrees is called a reflex angle. Y degrees, it is lies between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So Y degrees is called a reflex angle. See the figure. Angle AOB, it is lies between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So angle Y degrees is called a reflex angle. Next one, complete angle. An angle which is equal to the 360 degrees is called a complete angle. Z degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So Z degrees is called a complete angle. See the figure. Angle AOB is equal to 360 degrees. One complete rotation is equal to 360 degrees. So angle Z is a complete angle. Okay children, we will discuss the remaining topic in next video.